Hello student, this is my fourth lecture based on directional derivative. We know that grade phi equals to del phi equals to I bar del x plus j bar del y plus k bar del by del z phi or we can simply write it as del phi equals to I bar del phi by del x plus j bar del phi by del y plus k bar del phi by del z. This is three-dimensional derivative. That means grade phi. That means del phi is a three-dimensional derivative component of grade phi. That means del phi. That means three-dimensional derivative in the direction of u bar. In the direction of u bar or along u bar. That means del phi dot u cap. Okay, that means del phi dot u cap. Then we get the derivative of phi in the direction of u bar. That means directional derivative of phi. Thus directional derivative of phi along vector u bar is del phi dot u cap. So clear student, the directional derivative, the formula of directional derivative of phi along vector u bar is del phi dot u cap. Here del phi is a grade phi and u cap is a unit vector. Okay. Next, meaning of directional derivative. Directional derivative of phi gives us the rate of change of phi in the direction of u bar, in the direction of given vector. Okay. For example, if phi is a temperature, then directional derivative of temperature of phi means del phi dot u cap. That means it gives rate of change of temperature phi in the direction of u bar or vector u. So the formula of directional derivative is simply the formula of directional derivative is directional derivative is del phi dot u cap, means directional derivative along given vector u. Okay, so the example depend on the directional derivative. Example depend on the topic directional derivative is, first question is find the directional derivative of phi equals to x square yz plus 4x z square at point 1 2 minus 1 in the direction of 2I minus j minus 2k bar. So in question we have to find the directional derivative of phi in the direction of given vector. That means here we are given that value of phi and value of vector u. Simply now we can calculate del phi and then unit vector u cap, and after that simply take the dot product of these two things, del phi and u cap. This is the procedure to find the directional derivative. Now let phi equals to x square yz plus 4xz square and vector u equals to 2I minus j minus 2k. Calculate del phi. Del phi equals to, the value of del is I bar del by del x plus j bar del by del y plus k bar del by del z, and the value of phi is x square yz plus 4x z square. Simply differentiate phi with respect to x, y, z. So I derivative of this term with respect to x is 2x, y, z plus 4z square and derivative of this term with respect to y is x square z. Okay, this term is 0 into j plus derivative of this term with respect to z is x square y plus 2 into 4, that means 8xz into k bar. Now calculate value of del phi at point 1, 2, minus 1. Del phi equals to, put the value of x, y, z, x equals to 1, y equals to 2 and z equals to minus 1. After that simplify it. After simplifying it, we got the value of del phi is 0I minus j minus 6k. Okay, this is the value of del phi. Next, consider vector u. Vector u is 2I minus j minus 2k. Remember student, here we are already given that the value of vector u. We have not formed to by any condition. These value are given. Okay, sometimes in some questions these value are not given, 2 points are given, then at that time we have to calculate it by reverse difference formula. Okay, so value of u bar is 2I minus j minus 2k. Calculate u cap, means unit vector. You know very well the formula of unit vector is vector upon its magnitude. Now calculate, simplify it. Okay, given vector is 2I minus j minus 2k bar, upon its magnitude is coefficient I square is 4 plus coefficient j is 1 and coefficient k is 4. Sum up the value of this magnitude is root 9. So unit cap and square root of 9 is 3. So u cap is 2I minus j minus 2k upon 3. Now next step, the directional derivative of phi along given vector or along vector u is, formula is del phi dot u cap. So write the value of del phi. The value of del phi is 0I minus j minus 6k dot with, write the value of unit vector u cap 2I minus j minus 2k upon 3. Take dot product, so 1 upon 3 and dot product of these two vector is 0 into 0 I dot 0 into 2 0 I dot I is 1, so 0 plus minus minus plus j dot j is 1, so 1 and minus minus plus 6 into 2 is 12, k dot k is 1, so 6. So 12 plus 1 is 13. So 13 upon 3 is the directional derivative of phi along given vector u. Okay, so the procedure is first find del phi, then second find u cap, and after that take the dot product of these two vector. Then doing this we get the directional derivative of given phi along given vector u. Okay, next question is find directional derivative of phi where phi is x square plus y square plus z square to the power minus 1 by 2 at point 3, 1, 2 in the direction of yzi zxj plus xyk. So in this question, phi is x square plus y square plus z square to the power minus 1 by 2 and in the direction of given vector. So in this question we are given that the vector but in xyz form, not in constant form, but it is easy to find the constant vector. Put the value of yz. We are given that the value of yz is x is 3, y is 1 and z is 2. So put the value of y and z, means 1 and 2 here, zx 2 and 3 here, and xy 3 and 1 here. Automatically we get the value of vector u. Okay, now we are given that, or consider, let phi equals to x square plus y square plus z square to the power minus 1 by 2. So del phi is write value of del and write value of phi. After that, take differentiation with respect to xyz of phi. So what is the differentiation, partial differentiation of this phi with respect to x? So I as it is, and derivative of x square plus y square plus z square with to the power minus 1 by 2 with respect to x is, okay, derivative of x square plus y square plus z square to the power minus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2 x square plus y square plus z square to the power minus 3 by 2 into with respect to x, so 2x I as it is, plus with respect to y, with respect to y is minus 1 by 2 x square plus y square plus z square to the power minus 3 by 2. With respect to y is 2y j as it is, plus with respect to z minus 1 by 2 x square plus y square plus z square to the power minus 3 by 2. With respect to z means 2z k as it is. So this is the value of del phi. Now we have to find this value of del phi at point 312. So simply we will put here the value of xyz and find the value of del phi. After putting the value of xyz, we've got the value of del phi is, after simplifying it, okay, we get the value of del phi. Okay, the value of del phi is minus 14 to the power minus 3 by 2 into, we take common here, minus 14 to the power minus 3 by 2. Okay, 3i, so minus 14 to the power 3 minus 3 by 2, 3i plus j plus 2k is the value of del phi. Now as I told you, we are not directly given here the value of u. Okay, by putting the value of x y z in this vector, we get this value, vector u equals to 2i plus 6j plus 3k. Now the final step, the directional derivative of phi along vector u bar is, the formula of directional derivative is del phi dot u cap. Okay, in this question we can find the unit vector in continuation, means while solving we find the unit vector, we can solve it before or in simultaneously we can solve it u cap. Okay, so put the value of del phi. Del phi is minus 14 to the power 3 by 2, 3i plus j plus 2k dot, okay, dot, then u cap. We know very well the formula of u cap is vector means u 2i plus j plus 3k upon its magnitude, means coefficient of I square is 2 square means 4 plus 6 square means 36 plus 3 square means 9. Okay, after simplifying it, means after taking the dot product of these two terms, okay, after taking the dot product of these two terms, we get this value 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals to 18. Okay, now we can simplify it. So 18 minus as it is, 18 as it is, 7 as it is, we can shift this value to the denominator, means 14 to the power minus 3 by 2, shift to the denominator, that means 14 to the power 3 by 2. Okay, in this question we can write, suppose 2 to the power 3 by 2. So convert this equation or simplify this question, simplify this step. 7 as it is, write 7 as it is, 14 to the power 3 by 2. So 14, we can write 14 it as 7 into 2. Okay, so 14 to the power 3 by 2, that means 7 to the power 3 by 2 and 2 to the power 3 by 2. Okay, okay, 2 to the power 3 by 2 into 7 to the power 3 by 2 into 7. 7 is as it is. Okay, so add 7 to the power 3 by 2 and 7, that means 7 to the power 5 by 2. And what is the value of 2 to the power 3 by 2? Simplify it. 2 to the power 3 by 2 is 2 to the power 1 by 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 1 by 2 is root 2 to the power 3. So we can write root 2 in 3 times, means root 2, root 2, root 2. Root 2, root 2 is 2 and root 2. So 2 root 2 is the answer of 2 to the power 3 by 2. Then what is the answer of 7 to the power 5 by 2? So we can write 7 to the power 5 by 2 as 7 to the power 1 by 2 to the power 5. So 7 to the power 1 by 2 is root 7 to the power 5. So we can write 7 in 5 times. So root 7, root 7, root 7, root 7. So root 7 is 7. Again root 7 is 7. And remaining root 7. So 7 into 49. So 49 into root 7. Okay. This is the simplification. Simplify it, and this is the directional derivative of phi along vector u bar. Next question. Third question. Temperature at any point in space is given by t equals to xy plus yz plus zx. Find directional derivative of t along 3i minus 4k. So this is a simple question, but we are given that a surface, we are given that a phi means a scalar point function in the form of x, y, z. We are not given a constant term. Okay, sorry, here in this problem t is the phi and 3i minus 4k is the vector u. So there is a simple problem. This is a very simple problem. First find del t. Here phi means t. Okay, phi means t. So first find del t, value of del and value of t. Differentiate t with respect to x, y, z partially. Okay, in this question the point is missing. We are not given the value of point. Okay, so we will get the directional derivative in xyz form, not in constant form, not in number form. Okay, so and the value of u bar equals to 3i minus 4k. Calculate unit vector u cap. U cap is this. The final value of u cap is 3i minus 4k upon phi. The directional derivative of t along u bar is del t dot u cap. So del t is yz I plus xzj plus y plus x k, y plus zi plus x plus zj plus y plus x k dot 3i minus 4k upon phi. So take the dot product of these two vector and simplify it. So the directional derivative of t along given vector u is directional derivative is 1 upon 5 minus 4x minus y plus 3z. We get the value of directional derivative in x, y, z because in this question the point is not given, means on which point we have to find the directional derivative. Okay, that's why we get the directional derivative in the form of x, y, z simply, isn't it? Next, question 4. Find the directional derivative of phi equals to 4 e to the power 2x minus y plus z at point 1, 1, minus 2 in the direction towards the point minus 3, 5, 6. Here the value of phi is 4 e to the power 2x minus y plus z at point 1, 1, minus 2. Okay, but in this question we are not given that the value of the vector. So but we know 2 points. Okay, we know 2 points. First point is p, that means 1, 1, minus 2, and second point is q. Q is minus 3, 5, 6. So we can easily calculate the vector by using reverse difference formula, which we will solve this after sometimes. Okay, so let phi equals to 4 e to the power 2x minus y plus z. Calculate del phi. So calculate del phi means differentiate 4 e to the power 2x minus y plus z with respect to x, y, z. So derivative of this with respect to x is 4 e to the power 2x minus y plus z into 2, because we are calculating or we are taking derivative with respect to x, इसलिए that's why we have to multiply it by 2i plus with respect to y, derivative of this function with respect to y is 4 e to the power 2x minus y plus z into minus 1. Okay, into minus 1 because we are taking or we are differentiating with respect to y. Next, differentiation of this function with respect to z is 4 e to the power 2x minus y plus z into 1. We are taking differentiation with respect to z. Okay, bar. Simplify it. So take common 4 e to the power 2x minus y plus 2, plus z. Take common and remaining term 2i minus j plus k. So del phi at point 1, 1, minus 2. Put value of x, y, z in del phi, and finally we get the value of del phi is 8 upon e I bar minus 4 upon e j bar plus 4 upon e k bar. Next, the we have to find the value of vector u bar. Okay, the value of u bar is not given here, but we have to find it. So first point is p and second point is q. So u bar equals to p q bar. Find the u bar by reverse difference formula. That means q bar minus p bar. That means minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4i. 5 minus 1 plus 4j, and 6 minus 2 sorry 6 minus minus plus 2. Okay, now minus minus plus 2, that means 6 plus 2 is 8. So u bar is minus 4i plus 4j plus 8k. Then calculate u cap. U cap is 4i plus 4j, u cap is minus 4i plus 4j plus 8k upon under root 16 plus 16 plus 64. Simplify it, and the value of u cap is 1 by 24 minus 2i plus 2j plus 4k. The final step is the directional derivative of phi along vector u bar is del phi dot u cap. Put the value of del phi here, dot, and put the value of u cap. Take dot product of these two vector. Okay, other term is constant. So by taking dot product of this two vector, that means minus 2 minus 2, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, iota is 1. So minus 4 minus 2 plus 4, so 4 cancel, answer is minus 2. Okay, answer is minus 2. Simplify it. Okay, 4 into 6, under root 4 into 6, 24. We can write under root 4 into 6. So 4 square root of 4 is 2. 2 cancel. Okay, 2 cancel. So final answer is minus 4 e to the power minus 1 upon root 6. Okay, this is the extra page. Join. This is the extra page. Okay, this is the extra page, so leave it. So dear student, if you are having any problem, so discuss. I will clear your problem. Thank you.